So what's going on, guys? Just playing a little video game, you know. I just ate a couple full pizzas. You know, you just gotta check out these photos because whenever I look at them, I just want to like throw up laughing. So here's a review from the one place. But yeah, we're coming back to you today, and I'm just trying to figure things out here. And he's just really scaring us to death. Very good grades, you know. Just gotta give a little RuneScape in it, a little elbow room. Got you guys some elbow room. I almost fell off the chair, but as you can see, it's just a very, oh shit. Let's have a little moment of silence for people that just don't have that virtue of freedom. Because you work, but then they don't work, and then they just have nothing to live for, huh? So here we go, we're going to be getting close to the video soon, but someone very special, someone common, the heart of the church chicken. So please, sit right, get around the couch, get the bag of popcorn, and be ready for this, because you will never see anything like you will see in a couple of moments, but this is just very scary because so just be ready.
So I heard what happened after you won. Max told me that you walked in there. He said that you walked in there and you looked around and you were like, and he was like, what are you doing here? He said that you never texted him or anything, you just walked in. That's what he said.
Hold this up and stuff in his face. And you
said that you got like, you were picking up. And he was like, from who? And you were like, you, long, like, you couldn't remember to say it.
It's gonna be a tough night.
So then, like, you walked in there, and you were, and he was like, what are you doing here? And you were like, picking up. And he was like, from who? And then you were like, you. And you never texted him or anything.
I can see it in your mouth.
No, you got it on video. Oh no! Zane, you know you can go to the office with that, right? If you don't have if he doesn't have your permission to record. Yeah, but then if he shows him the video.
So it's even playing.
Hey, we're in a stalemate. Just
Watch this.
Kind of freaking me out.
Fuck you, bitch!
You rocking back and forth.
Someone tell Chain when you shut it.
Alright, so this is very scary right here. Maybe it looks different to you on video. Maybe you should do something about this, Jordan. This is my hand, and that's yours. What are you gonna? You got to do something about that.
have the phone number like on the back of it. I am one, Timothy. Dude, I'm about to
please do something about this.
Put your phone number there.
Are you gonna do something about this?
Tim, we came up with the greatest.
Do something about that. Please. Please, Jordan. Please.